Hello there, welcome to Friends and Daves. My name is Raymond and I'll be your host on this channel. This is my introductory video into what Friends and Daves is and what you as a designer or as a developer or as a product person will be expecting from this channel, right? So my hope is to bridge the gap between design and other areas of product processes so that designers can create better designs and so that whatever effort they have put into creating their products will not go to waste because they have created things that probably will not be able to build, or because it is was difficult for them to translate those design decisions into knowledge that other colleagues could consume and output what is expected of them, right? So my hope is that at the end of you watching any content on my channel, you'll be able to gain a new insights into how to improve your workflow, right? So there are key things that I'm hoping to work on this channel, and one of the key area is design to code, right? So and many of the key features that I'll be looking at is some development concepts that designers need to understand, right? I'm not a developer, right? But it's very important that as a designer, there are things that you need to know how the products that you design are developed, right? So we're looking at things like CSS basics, design handoff, design documentations, naming conventions, CSS divs, and responsive design. So these are some of the core concepts that designers need to understand so that they can create designs that is easy to develop and it also meets the desired end results, right? So gone are the days where designers create A and developers will create A2, right? We want to be able to create designs that can be built into real products and it will reflect the design decisions that we have made. All right. So, and beyond that, we'll also be looking at other important things related to web design, things like Figma to code, workflows, how to design on web pages on Figma and structure it in a way that it is easy for you to translate them into finished code or export them into web design tools like Figma or Webflow and many other tools out there, right? And also we're looking at other no-code workflows like Webflow, WordPress workflow, and we'll be also looking at different ways to build your portfolio as a designer or even as a product person, right? So there are many tools out there, many ways that you can build your portfolio without even spending too much, and also making sure that it satisfies your own personal need, right? And we also be looking at other best practices and responsive designs that designers need to be aware of. And if you're looking forward to maybe freelance as a designer and also as a web designer, this is definitely the topics you should be looking out for, right? And also we will be looking at things like tools. I'm a tool person, right? And there are tools that I find so exciting whenever I'm opportune to use them, and we'll be looking at how to use these tools throughout the course of the content we'll be creating on this channel. So we're looking at Figma, of course. We're looking at Airtable. Airtable is my go-to tool for automation, for database management, for project management, and it's amazing, right? So looking at Notion. Notion is my go-to tool for documentation, for research documentation, for workflow documentation, project documentation, and all sorts of documentation. Webflow is just like an infinite canvas, like Notion, of course. It's just like an infinite canvas, like Figma. So you can create pages upon pages upon pages upon pages. And the good and fun part is that it is easy to integrate them to other tools, and you can quickly create automations to reduce some of the repeated tasks that you keep doing all the time as a designer. Okay, and some other favorite tools of mine is Webflow, of course, and Zapier. Zapier is my automation go-to tool. So you can easily automate Zapier to Airtable, automate Zapier to Webflow, automate Zapier to Notion, automate Zapier to several other tools out there. So as a designer, if you're someone who is looking for a way to get your hands dirty with automations on that is very relevant, of course, to your design practice. Looking for instance where you want to automate your survey data collection, right? So Zapier is your go-to tool for automation. And of course, ChatGPT is one of the fun tools that has been incredible in the way improving the way I work as a designer, right? So I'm hoping that I'll share some of my processes on how I use ChatGPT to improve my workflow and how I use it to brainstorm on ideas. All right. And also, last but not the least, of course, as designers, we all want to improve on our UX and our design skills, right? So I see that there's always a lot of challenge when you look at different products. You see products with very poor color choices. So I'll be sharing my know-how on how to create good color combinations, color sensibilities, and other techniques like visual design, interaction design techniques, and of course, how to create research strategies and how to create a research plan and how to create, collect, and analyze your research data. So my hope is that at the end of you watching any of my content, you will be able to add at least something new to improve how you work as a designer, right? And of course, this channel is for designers, but it's going to be packed with other relevant and important tutorials that can be utilized by any and everyone out there to improve how they work, right? So I'm hoping that you stick around, and if you have any requests on any topic or you want to make any inquiries, it's very easy. Just go to LWR, which is learn with Raymond.szy, and you can quickly make your inquiries. Just scroll to the bottom and you see what you would like to talk to me about, right? So just click the link, fill the form, and I am looking forward to speaking with you. If you are concerned about maybe you want something related to mentorship to improve on your skills, there is a link where you can quickly book a section to talk to me for free about what you are looking for, and my hope is that we'll be able to find something to work around and to get you started, right? So thank you very much for spending your time with me, and I hope to see you next time. If you like and you're looking forward to my next video, I would appreciate if you can subscribe, if you can like, and if you can share these channels with everyone in your contact. I'm hoping to see you next time, and thank you very much. God bless. Bye-bye.